Hi Noya family, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Shanika and we're hopping right into the video. We're starting out with Greek yogurt and we're going to need about 10 ounces of that. Next up we have our turmeric powder and we're starting out with 1 tablespoon. And most of us already know just how amazing and powerful turmeric is. Alright, next up we're going to go ahead and add our licorice root. And make sure you check out the description box for the full recipe, and I'll have the links for the other items that I'm using in this video as well, so you can find everything there. And lastly, we're going to go in with the most amazing honey on this earth. That is Manuka honey. If you don't know, I'm going to let you know. It's real, y'all. I didn't learn about Manuka honey until I went to school for my esthetician license, and there was this lady there who was one of the ladies in the office, and she had the most amazing skin. It looked so soft and supple, and I asked her, like, what do you use on your skin? And she told me, oh, I use Manuka honey every single day. And I'm like, Manuka honey, what's that? And y'all, once I found out about Manuka honey, I've been using it ever since. So yeah, she definitely put me on. So we're just mixing everything really well, and then we're just going to add an additional tablespoon of the turmeric powder. I didn't add everything in the beginning because I didn't want it to start out too clumpy or too messy, so I like to add a little bit as I go. And we're just going to add it in and mix it in really well and make sure it dissolves completely. And you got to make sure you scrape the bottom and the edges so that, you know, you're getting a good mix. And this recipe is very simple. These ingredients are very effective, so it really doesn't take long to make. It's just mixing it really well. And then we're going to go in and add an additional tablespoon of the Manuka honey. So I just wanted to make sure I didn't add it all in the beginning. You want to mix and then add and then mix and then add. And from there, we're just going to go ahead and get our piping bag. We're going to use this to put inside of the ice trays, put the mixture inside of the ice trays. Just going to cut a little slit so that it will nicely fold over the measuring cup, so that everything can sit in there pretty well. And then you're just going to fill it up. I truly stand by these ingredients because I've been using this mask on and off for the last maybe 4 or 5 years now. I used to just make this liquid and then store it in the refrigerator and, you know, keep it for a few days because it will go bad. So I would keep it for a few days and try to use it as much as I could and make it in small batches. But what I found is that I wasn't being consistent enough, right? I would get lazy and, oh, I don't feel like making it again and it's too much. So I try to figure out a way, like, how can I make this in larger batches and, you know, so that it doesn't go bad and it's more convenient so that I can be consistent. And this is what I created. So as you can see, I am filling up the ice tray with the mixture, and I like to call these my little honey glow mask because it literally makes your skin glow. Like, literally, you will be glowing out here. So if you watch my last video that I made, I have another video where I made a different recipe of me making ice face mask, and I'll put the link up there for you and in the description box below. But I did not use the piping bag. The other way took way more time and it was more messy, or I should say this isn't even messy at all, but the other way was messy. But as you can see, everything is neat and clean, and all I'm doing now is just like leveling everything out by you know, shaking and wiggling it around so that it can have a nice smooth finish. And then we're just gonna go ahead and go in and top everything off, make sure everything has equal height. And this piping bag, the mixture, the 10 ounces that I made, you know, it literally gave me just enough to fill this entire tray. So it was the perfect recipe. And now we're just going to go in with the mini little, I like to call them popsicle sticks. And you're just going to put them in there. They're very small and convenient, the perfect size for you to be able to get a nice grip while you're putting this on your skin. And yeah, you're just going to fill all of them up, and then you're going to put it in the freezer after this. And here is the finished product. Nice, beautiful. One of them definitely on the gangster lean, but that's okay. I'm still going to use it. But for the most part, everything is great. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, start loosening up the tray. Now this is a silicone tray, so you don't have to worry about it breaking or it being tough to get them out of there. The silicone tray makes it nice and easy. As you can see, it slides out. Everything is nice, so you don't have to worry about it breaking up or chipping or anything. And so I started making these in the morning earlier in the day, and I put them in the freezer. So I know that they were in the freezer for more than 5 hours. I would recommend trying to leave them in for about 5 to 8 hours at least, or try to leave it in overnight. That's even better. That way, when you go to pull them out, you'll know that they are thoroughly frozen and you won't have to worry about any, you know, liquid spots in the ice cubes. And here they are. This is the finished product, the perfect size. You can literally use them anywhere on your body where you have skin conditions, or you just want to tone your skin, or you just want to smooth your skin. And the recipe that I gave you is perfect because you can use them twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. It will not be an overload because I made sure that I gave a recipe where it is gentle enough to use every day. And you're just gonna go in once you cleanse your skin. Make sure you cleanse your skin obviously before you apply or massage this mask onto your skin. And you're just gonna apply it like you would any other mask. But the great thing is you get that soothing sensation from the ice, from it being frozen, which helps to tighten the skin. It helps to soothe inflammation on the skin. It helps to minimize the appearance of your pores, so that they're not as visible if you use these consistently. And yeah, like, it's perfect. As you can see, one cube can literally cover your entire face. And make sure you hit that neck. I always speak about not leaving your neck out because it'll look weird if you have 2 different tones. So yeah, make sure you leave enough to apply to the upper part of your neck as well. And that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to try these masks and what you think. Drop a comment. And I hope that you will join me on this journey to health and wellness, ultimately wholeness. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.